Hello and welcome to Circle Time. So, our friends are here. Do you want to help me greet them? Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I hope you are too. I'm fine. I'm fine. I hope you are too. Well, Sue, today's letter is the letter F. We are going to do F is for forest, and we're going to make a colorful forest today for our art project. You can sit down because there's something that starts with an F that we need to check on. A fish. And guess what? Fred also starts with F. So Fred the fish. And food. F is for food, and here's your food, Fred. Good morning. Would you like to zoom over and see Fred a little closer? Okay, come on. We'll go see Fred. Here he is. Hi, Fred the fish. Good morning. I think he's waving his fin. Well, now that we've checked on Fred, and I think he's doing great, we will do our calendar time. So the month also starts with letter F. It's February. February. Let's reach into our can and see how we will count. Grow. So we're going to get down really small, and then we're going to grow up really tall like a tree. Can you get down really low? We're going to be a little seed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wow, look at you. You look like a big, tall tree in the forest. Well, today is February 17th. Can you say that? February 17th. And if you go up to the top, you can see that the day of the week also starts with letter F. Friday is today. Friday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Well, it is time to check your weather. So look outside the window. See what your weather's like today. Okay, are you ready to sing about it? When I do like this, shout out your weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? It is out today. It is out today. Well, let's dress Weather Bear. Weather Bear, we're going to put on a shirt and pants and a coat and a hat. And what is the season right now? The season is winter. Well, that was our calendar time. And now it's time for our letter of the day. Today's letter is the letter F. If your name has letter F, stand up. If your name has letter F, stand up. If your name has letter F, if your name has letter F, If your name has letter F, stand up. Yay! Well, F is for forest today, and I found all of the green markers I could find, or crayons, in all the different shades of green that I had. And I used that to decorate my letter F. I just did lots of squiggles in lots of different shades of green. In the forest, there are lots of trees that are still green, even in the winter. Those are called evergreen trees. Some trees don't have any leaves. Those leaves have fallen off, but they'll grow back soon in the spring. So this is how I decorated my letter F. Now let me show you how to write letter F so you can practice today. To make a letter F, you're going to first make a number 1. Then you're going to go back to the top, draw a line across the top and a line across the middle. So here's the big letter F. 1, top, middle. Let's practice writing a big letter F. I'll show you on handwriting paper. First, you make a 1, and then you draw a line across the top and the middle. 1, top, middle. 1, top, middle. Make a number 1 and then draw a line across the top and the middle. Well, let me show you the little letter F. It looks like a candy cane. So make a candy cane and then make a line across the middle like that. That's the little lowercase f. Let's practice that one. So first, we're going to make a candy cane. And then we're going to make a line across the middle. Candy cane, across. Candy cane, across. Candy cane, across. One more. Candy cane, across. Well, I'd like to check and cheer for you. Did you make a letter F? Well, you were listening and learning, and I'm so proud of you. Hooray! You can get a sticker. Here it is. That's our sticker for handwriting time. Well, now we know what F looks like. We know how to write letter F, so it is time to talk about the sound that letter F makes. Letter F makes this sound. Take your top teeth, put them on your bottom lip, and blow, just like if you're blowing out a birthday candle. Can you try? That's the sound that letter F makes. It almost just sounds like air. F is for firefly. So take your hand like this and blink on and off, on and off. Fireflies can be found in the forest. Okay, well, now we know what letter F looks like, how to write it, and the sound that it makes. Let's head over to the art table, and we're going to make a colorful forest today. So here's our art project today. I already made it because really it's up to you how you want it to look. This is just an example. So let me show you how to cut out a tree. So just take some colorful paper, any color, and then you can make any shape you want, really. I'm going to cut one out that looks kind of like a triangle, but I didn't make any sharp corners, just like kind of a rounded triangle. You can see that it looks like the shape of a tree, and then I'm going to just decide what design I want to put in it. So I can make swirls or circles or lines, polka dots or squiggly lines. I can make it look like a regular tree or these tic-tac-toe grids. So that's the fun part. You can decide what you want your tree to look like. Be creative. Every single tree can look different. You can layer the trees on top of each other, as you see that I have done here, and that makes it look like a beautiful, colorful forest. So there's our art project for today. You just need some colorful paper and a black marker, and you're on your way. Well, here is my colorful forest. You can get creative and make one yourself if you'd like. Our story today is about the forest, but I don't have a digital copy, so I'll put a link below so you can watch that on a different video link. I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend, everybody. Goodbye.